In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to Zillow without creating a new listing. If you already have a property listed on Zillow and want to update it with new photos, the process is easy. Start by logging into your Zillow account. Once you're logged in, hover over the Manage Rentals option at the top of your screen. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down, select My Listings to view the properties you've already added. If you want to update an existing property with new photos, find the listing you want to edit and click on it. If you're currently in the process of creating a new listing, you'll need to complete the necessary information until you reach the Review section. In the Review section, scroll down to Find the Media tab. This is where you can manage photos for your listing. Click on the Media tab and you will see the option to add new photos. Simply click Add and Upload Photos from your device. Zillow allows you to upload up to 100 photos for each property, but it's recommended to add between 22 to 27 photos for optimal results. Once you've uploaded your desired photos, don't forget to click on Save and Exit in the upper right corner to ensure that your changes are saved.